had multiple situations in my life that could have derailed my life. My wife and I were on financial ruin years ago. Didn't know how we were going to make it. But we decided we were going to do what's right. Just keep getting up every day, put one foot in front of the other, figure it out, be responsible. And you know what happened? We dug out. But more than that, we got stronger.
I learned a lot more than I actually knew, honestly. I grew up working on cars and stuff with my grandpa and stuff. They honestly some good instructors. I learned a lot from them, and I'm learning every day now.
So he decided to come to Nashville, Tennessee to do the program. And I said, well, you got to follow your dream. So I encouraged him to do it, and it turned out to be a wonderful experience. He grew up.
The successes that I'm able to experience, I can say that I am now the first female valedictorian for Lincoln Tech NADC. There was always people there to support me, and any questions I had was answered, and every single person I interacted with helped me grow and push me towards success.
Fantastic. I like the area, I like the opportunity, I like the school which she went to. She made a good selection in doing this.
Today, as you graduate, your faculty and staff warmly welcome you to this new world of opportunity. We are certain that each of you will go on to make a meaningful impact through your actions, your compassion, and your voice. May your success and your future be filled with good health and purpose.